Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. So to perform a factory reset, at the top of the speaker we have controls, and we should use Bluetooth button and volume up button, what have a plus icon. Now you need to press and hold it for at least 4 seconds until your speaker is turned off. So press and hold it. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and then open settings on your phone. Go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. And firstly, we need to remove this speaker from the phone. So near to the speaker at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, after that click pair new device. And after a factory reset, this speaker enters to prank mode automatically, so we don't need to enter prank mode manually. We just tap at the speaker at the device list, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!